most AI APIs give you just one answer per request, right? So there's no memory, there's no context, there's no awareness of past messages. That's really like the problem, because it's a stateless kind of thing, whereby you send a request, you get a response, right? And this adds streaming. So I like to compare this a bit to WebSockets and stuff, like for real-time streaming data, for live data, for those kind of things. This is extremely useful. Like think of a scenario where you want to get stock prices or stuff which is changing, betting results and things like this. So that's where it gets extremely useful. And then like you will see that this streams live, like so you will have a client, and then basically it's a streaming server, and it also remembers the past context, which is very important. So it's not just a one-off question. It actually remembers what you were doing earlier and tips. You can use any backend model for this, like OpenAI. You can use Anthropic. So in this scenario, I use Anthropic as well. And then how it works, like just real brief step-by-step. So the client, which we are going to fire up, sends an HTTP request with a prompt and a conversation ID, right? And then the server checks this for past context using that ID. This is where you can already tell there's some security potential here, right? But this is not the purpose of this specific video. And then basically it sends the full context, like the history and the new prompt, to the model, and then the model responds, and the reply is then streamed back to the client effectively.